Today I'm working on a 2008 Audi R8. Just making a quick video. I'm not really going through this whole process of how to do this, but replacing the cabin filter. Typically on most Audis and other vehicles, cabin filters are usually pretty accessible. Not on something like this. I'll show you what has to happen to get to it. After you pull the lower panel down for the fuse box, or I'm sorry, for the glove box down here, there's a panel that covers all of this. Then you have to remove this entire fuse box, control module, relay box here assembly. This whole thing slides off here. Then on top of that, there's a subwoofer, an air duct, and tons of screws, brackets. It's a very elaborate, tricky process. It's not. It could have been made much easier, and it usually is on most cars. But that's where it is. That's where it's located. Once you have all this out, way far back here, I think it's probably the same part as on an A6. It slides in. It slides into the towards the center console from the passenger side like this. Two of them actually go in that same hole. You slide the one in up there like that, and then you push it upwards, and then you slide another one in, and then you snap your cover on. But I honestly wouldn't really recommend this as a DIY job. You know, it's an R8 to begin with, so you should probably just let a service center or a dealer or whatever do this with maintenance. I think the book time for it is 1.5 hours. It would be probably worth just paying the 1.5 hours of labor to have this done. But other than that, very cool car. It's it's always been one of the dream cars of mine. This one has the 4.2, which I actually like, and it's cool. So that's it. Thanks for watching.